am Nongcebo Vukile Mackenzie, and this is the podcast, Sawubona. Every fortnight, a guest joins us for a conversation or to share a story. It's a pleasure to share these with you and to have you with us. Welcome, Ngiyakwamukela, to another episode of Nongcebo Mackenzie, the podcast. Isambeli sethu on this episode of the podcast, Ntokozo Nkosi. She is the Deputy Director, Services to Older Persons at the Department of Social Development. Sibheka indlela ekuphathwa ngayo abantu asebekhulile izaguga zethu. Abantu esazi ukuthi bayimgogodla yamakhaya, imgogodla yemphakathi. Kodwa sibona kuba khona izinto ngempela ezithusayo esizwayo. Sike sabona ko social media abanye ogogo bayashawa, abanye ogogo bayathukwa. Ubone ngempela cha kuya ngokwanda ngempela ukuthi bangaphatheki kahle. Sitheke sikubhekeke lokho namhlanje nesambeli sethu. Ntokozo sikubingelele sikwamukele.
Sanibona.
Ntokozo mhlawumbe akaqale sichazele. Uma sikhuluma ngesaguga, uma sikhuluma ngalokho nina eminyangweni enithi older person, sikhuluma ngomuntu ongakanani?
Ngiyabonga Nongcebo for ukungi-invite kwi-show yakho. Ngicabanga ukuthi before siqale kufanele sik-understand ukuthi abantu abadala bengamelwe i-Older Persons Act.
Okay.
So the Older Persons Act, it then says umuntu mesemdala should be 60 years and upwards.
Okay.
So any person ozoba below the age of 60 years, we don't categorize that person as an older person, but we only categorize them only when they are 60 years and upwards in terms of the Older Persons Act. So that act defines to us ukuthi umuntu omdala umuntu onjani. So it can be a woman, it can be a man, as long as a threshold of 60 years.
Kungani bona bahlukaniswe babe nomthetho nje obheke bona, obhekelela idingo zabo nenhlalakahle yabo?
It was done to recognize, first of all, I think it is important ukusho ukuthi kune charter, i-Older Persons Charter. Kuyona kuleyo charter ku-embedwe ama-rights apho. So we know ukuthi abantwana abancane banama-rights.
Yes.
So the same with abantu abadala banama-rights. So the reason why there was the act is to protect them. So at their advanced stages of life, they need to be protected kakhulu because they are vulnerable to abuse. They can be they can be frail. Uthola ukuthi ugogo akasakwazi ukuzenzela anything. Me frail usedinga usizo 24 hours 7 days a week. Lo muntu loyo, it's either a family can keep them with the person within the family, or if they cannot cope, they can also through assistant yethu as social development and ama NGOs adila ngabantu abadala come forth ba request ukuthi bathole usizo lokuthi ugogo aplacewe kwi old age home. So those placement processes, they can only be done if we've got the act.
Okay.
Yeah. And then bese kuba laba base able bodied, we've got abantu abadala but uthola ukuthi ba fresh, they don't want to be moved, they still remain within their communities, and so as they are within the communities kuba nama services that they can access as well, which we call them community-based care and support services, which means ase emakhaya. Mina ke I always say for easy, reference, abantwana banama crash, it's the same. Okay. It's the same concept. So all these things engikhuluma ngazo sengiqede i-act. I-act njoba ino chapter 5, inama chapters awu5, ino community based, in a preamble, even no community based, even no residential facilities, even no protection. So right now it was aimed to see protect umuntu omdala at their advanced stages of life.
So njengoba sibona ko social media akusikona konke okufika ku social media. Uzokhumbula ukuthi eminyakeni nje edlule kuke kwabikwa igameko la ogogo bebedlwengulwa kakhulu. Manje sibona kuzungezwa ku social media ogogo abashawayo, abathukwayo, abazukulu, ingane zabo njalo njalo. Manje umuntu angathi lento iyethusa kube sengathi into entsha. Is it a new phenomenon indaba yokuhlukunyezwa kwabantu abadala?
No, I must just indicate ukuthi it's not new. It's not new. I think now sisesikhathini where i-development isisibeke ekutheni sizoba nama-camera ezandleni, namafoni ezandleni. So communication is easy, taking a photo is easy. It's not like before when u-cameraman wayezodlula once in a while. So manje, because everything is within our hands, it makes it easy to document these incidences. The second part of it, if you look at the trends, you'll tell when we go and investigate, into esuke kade yenzeka ekhaya for the longest time. And because now abantu bayasaba ukureporta such cases. Sometimes basaba because bafeel ukuthi they will break the family unity if be reports akuzobe ngazuthi uyena ophumile wayo reports. So umuntu ufela ngaphakathi, omakhelwane bayibuka and they say no, we're not gonna report. Uyayibo basaba ungena indaba zabantu laba abasuke be abusana. So with social media isekwenze kwalula ukuthi lezi zinto siyibone. Nathi it helps us as a department as much as kuyinto sensitive ebuhlungu musuyibona isiphuma, but at least iyasilekelela to get the into yokuthi okay nangu gogo o abusiwe mhlawumbe ebesingesize simthole if they were not advertised or spread bavezwa ku social media. So siyakwazi ukuthi siwalandelele lawo ma cases. So all in all, I'm saying abuse has been there.
Mana-ke khona la engisala khona because ukusaba ukureporta officially kwabomthetho nasemnyangweni because umuntu mhlawumbe angasaba ukuthi they will break the family unit. Okay. Compared to ukuthatha leyo nto ingene ku social media, because angithi uma uyibika ngokusemthethweni kuzophenywa kuthathwa isinqumo kuthiweni uma isik social media akwenzi kube worse ngoba manje usuyithathe wayendlala nje yabona bonke abantu izogcina isifikile nasemnyangweni, and I think I would believe you're obligated to investigate.
We are obligated to investigate. Ukusaba kona ngishilo noNgcebo ukuthi mase beyikhiphile ku social media kusuke kungeyona into enhle. Kodwa ke sidila nesituation yokuthi at least kuthi mase kuvelile sikwazi ukuyilandelela, and it becomes quicker because suke si tracer through our offices, si tracer through our systems within the department. Kona for me I would say ungcono ukwazi kunongazi. Ngoba if that video bingaphumanga kusho ukuthi ugogo bezoqhubeka abuseke and people would have kept quiet.
Ogogo bona basuke bethuleleni nomkhulu, angisho angikubuzi lokho ngokubasola, but izathu asithi mhlawumbe ugogo nje osenawo amandla noma umkhulu osenawo amandla osengakwazi ukuthi ahamba ayoyikhulumela ayibikele.
Inkinga esiba nayo la noNgcebo ogogo nomkhulu abazali kune element yothando. Uzele ingane. Mezele ingane i-abuse ifika ngendlela eziningi. Sometimes izofika through ama grandchildren, sometimes izofika with grown up children zakhe, sometimes izofika ngama relatives. So umzali at their age bakubuka as ihlazo, and as bekubuka njengehlazo baphinde bazikondeme bona, bazibone as failures. ukuthi angikwazanga ukhona into engayenzanga kahle ekhuliseni lo mntwana
Umuntu ayisole yena.
ayisole yena qala. The moment eyikondema sekwenza ukuthi reach out kube difficult. Even when we get to hear about those cases, you'll find ukuthi uyayimbambatha umuntu omdala. Ayimbambathe, and you have received ama-reports ukuthi ugogo uyahlukunyezwa noma umkhulu uyahlukunyezwa, but yena uyayimbambatha. Uyayibo. So nanso enye into eba inkinga ile element le yobuzali. Nabazukulu-ke laba, they take advantage. Sometimes they go siney'ngane manje, they are so heavily involved with substance abuse. So umuntu mase fika la endlini uyakhahlela ufuna imali yegrant because kwale mali le abasurvive ngayo la ekhaya imali kagogo. Yena mezoyidemanda edemandela into zakhe zaseceleni, they do not even realize ukuthi sebe abuse ugogo financially. No gogo sometimes bazohlala phezukwazo lezinto. Uyayibona. So kuba nezimo eziningi ezenza ukuthi abantu omunye uprotector ifamily yakhe. Ukuthi omakhelwane abakwazi ukuthi babone lezi zinto ezenzakala yes ziyenzeka.
So uma sikhuluma ngeindlela zeabuse kukhona sokuthintile lapho lokho kwe-financial abuse. But bengisafuna sihlehle sibheke sihlukanise phakathi kokwenza into ngokunganaki ukuhlukumeza nokudelela okuwukuthi nje uyadelela wena uzoyihlo ngandlebe bese kuba khona ke ukuhlukumeza bese nokwenza mhlambe nje izinto ngokunganaki bese kanti leyo nto ngempela mawusuyibhekisisa haye iyamlimaza omunye umuntu.
Kona mukubheka ngathi touch base on rights of older persons which are also embedded kwi Older Persons Act ngakhuluma nange-child. Mukulanda lapho emuva uzothola ukuthi abantu abadala they need to be treated with dignity and respect. So lelo nje lisho kahle ukuthi there is no room ukuthi ungamthatha kancane ugogo ngoba nakho semdala. Because rights agogo athi if ugogo must be treated with dignity and respect. Iphinde futhi ugogo must be protected from all kinds of abuse. So le yokuthi mase umntwana noma i-family member isithatha i-advantage kugogo vele automatically sebeyaqala ba-violate ama-rights omuntu omdala emzini wakhe isikhathi esiningi.
Ake sibuyele kuleke manje indlela ezahlukahlukene that older persons are abused. Uthinte i-financial abuse. Mhlawumbe ke omunye angathi kwakona ukuthi siphila ngemali yempesheni kagogo leyo. That's actually abuse because sila endlini si-able bodied, mhlawumbe abanye bayifunile imisebenzi bangayithola. Kodwa mhlawumbe bakhona bangazamanga nokuyophuma beyofuna umsebenzi ngoba bazi ukuthi khona ugogo. Ike yakhulunywa lento ngaphambilini, this thing of or sometimes grandchildren leaving their children nogogo. So umuntu ashiya ingane yakhe nogogo wakhe or umuntu ashiye ingane noma wakhe of which umama ugogo kuleyo ngane. But then uthola ukuthi imali yegrant mhlawumbe usehamba nayo or akayiposi imali yokudla or akabuyi ukuzobheka mhlawumbe ubuya once every 2 months or once every 6 months or so. Lezo zinto lezo angathi omunye umuntu ukuhlukumeza inlokho ngoba uma wami she's being supportive, ngiyahamba ngiyozama impilo eGoli. Is that really abuse? But when it's spoken about, it's been defined as you are placing an unnecessary weight, raising an infant for somebody who's 70 is very taxing. How much more for an older person? So let's look at the different types of abuse.
Usungene kakhulu kwi-financial abuse. Uyayazi angifuni uqamba amanga ukuthi ezinye izinto noNgcebo abantu bathatha izinto lula Ugogo uyiphilile indima yakhe. Wamkhulisa umntwana amkhulisile. Wakhula umntwana waba no age of 18, which is the legal age yokuthi usu defined as umuntu omdala in South Africa. Awusa protectwa ngisho i-Children's Act lapho. So mase qedile ugogo kahle kahle the burden yomntwana wakho isuyingaseyona irresponsibility kagogo. So that's when siqala ukunormalize ukuthwesa abantu abadala imithwalo size siba subjected to abuse that should not take place. Mase thatha imali esethola igrant yalomntwana engasayilethi la ekhaya kwayena unecala ngoba igrant yomntwana must stay where the child is. Kahle kahle. So mase ithatha unecala and usubjecta ugogo to pressure unnecessary, which then causes element of financial abuse. So financial abuse izoba ngeindlela eziningi ilokuthwesa kwabantwana bethwesa ogogo noma abazali babo bebathwese imithwalo yabantwana, great grandchildren, grandchildren and so forth. Iphinde futhi financial abuse izoba khona when ugogo nangu nendlu naku sekubangwa ifali kagogo ephila. Izinto ezenzakalayo lezo. Sekhona omunye osecela ukuthi i-title deed mama bhala ngami. That is abuse. Izinto ezenzakala kanjalo. Abantwana laba bazobuya bezodemanda imali yomuntu omdala ukuthi ugogo khona manje ubheke u-electricity, ubheke water, ubheke ama-utilities ala endlini including igross, but umuntu ufuna i-pocket money. So this is pressure causa interpreter into financial abuse. So there are many elements ukuthi ugogo usenama responsibilities ekufanele ngabe akawathwele kodwa because we are subjecting ugogo to that causes financial abuse. And then kube sexual exploitation. It's easy ugogo uzongenelwa abafana bayamdlwengula. Abanye bazongena bezoroba bayamdlwengula. There is straightforward sexual abuse. And then sibe ne psychological abuse la uthola ukuthi ugogo uthethiswa ngalendlela ugogo noma nomkhulu ngiyaxolisa ukukhuluma ngogogo kuphela bamthethisa nanoma kanjani uthethiselwa noma yini. First of all abasa understand ukuthi lo muntu ukhulile. The level of thinking kagogo is not the same.
Ne pace, ne understanding.
The understanding yakhe, it's not gonna be the same as it was 20 years ago. Uzothatha inkomishi ayifake efridgini. Yena kuyena ifridge ikhabethe. Degenerative diseases ziyaqala ziyakhika in. Abantu mebenga understand, they will be scolding, bakhulume nogogo noma kanjani. Abanye baze baphakamise izandla baphakamisela umuntu omdala. Inkinga nje ukufeyila ukunderstanda ukuthi ugogo uyakhula. So lapho ke ugogo umthola usenkosi yami use feel rejected, ugogo uyayivalela sometimes ekamereni akafuni ukuhlangana nabantu because she feels ukuthi mengihlangana nalabantu vele kuzoba khona ingxabano ekhona. So let me stay in my room. Ngesinye isikhathi ugogo uphelelwa isithunzi sokuba umama noma umkhulu aphelelwe isithunzi sokuba umkhulu. So psychologically they become affected. Kakhulu uthola ukuthi ne-aging process iya speed up sekuze kuthelela nezifo ebezingekho kuyena umuntu omdala just because of the abuse le enzakalayo la ngaphakathi. Bese kuba physically ke uzothola bemshaya umkhulu noma ugogo bamshaya hambokeza bayamshaya uyayibona abanye bahamphusha
manake uthinta into ngoba khona umhlobo wami esike sayikhuluma naye yona leyo kugeza impela uthiwa ugogo uma akathanda ukugeza umuntu omdala ke ufana nengane ke igolozi kafuna ukugeza ayinasizathu ikhala iziginqe phansi ingane so kuthi ugogo wenza same thing uzothi omunye ngoba nakho ngisuke ngihlosa ukumhlukumeza ugogo it's because ngisuke ngifuna angithi siyazi ukuthi umuntu mayisekhulile okunye akakwazi ukuthi akubambe uyayibona so uzothi umuntu ngenzela ukuthi phela beclean ugogo bazothina abantu befika ugogo akekho right kuzoba sengathi asemnakekeli hayi ngoba nakho suke simthethisa ngoba nakho sifuna ukumhlukumeza kodwa ngoba sisuke sifuna ukumconvince ukuthi gogo geza phela ngoba ngithi nangapha ngakolunye uhlangothi uma ufika umnyango ugogo engageziwe kuzothiwa hawu akanakekelwe ugogo athi umuntu ngisuke ngabe ngithetha kodwa ngisuke nami sengingasathi ngizothini ngoba ugogo akafuni ukugeza
indlela esidlulisa ngakhona imessage kuhlukile uma uzoba calm ube kind and ube compassionate towards umuntu omdala nokuthi uzoba harsh umuntu omdala naye level of thinking yakhe usuke esebenza esane naye uzoba resistant obviously nawe uma uza ngeforce mdala okwakhe
nanokuthi yena ngokwakhe uyazi asithi mdala and akakamukeli ukuthi slowly but surely
yabo yes I'm aging so it's also touches base into yok understand ukuthi kunalama diseases that are called degenerative diseases azoza nokuthi nje siyakhula umuntu mekhula kune catching up azohlangana nayo endleleni esimbeka ekuthenini I reasoning yakhe nama actions wakhe awasafani na before
so uma sesikubhekile konke lokho yini eholela ekuthenini abantu abadala sibaphathe kanje ngoba phela thina sazi ukuthi umuntu omdala uyazi ukuthi ukuthola ukuthi umuntu uzokhala kukala umuntu ona 50 ekhalela uma wakhe ona 75 indlela abaluleke ngayo umuntu omdala athi angasithi ngizoyithini lengangcono bakusakhona uma lento bengizoyibika kuma ufika umuntu omdala la 55 ethi akasekho umuntu omdala la ekhaya ngoba nakho sekushone ugogo indlela abaluleke ngayo umuntu omdala simhlukumeza ngoba sekutheni
isikhathi esiningi ama assessments aye asivezele ukuthi isimo esiphila ngaphansi kwaso mostly abantu abamnyama uthola ukuthi bahlala emakhaya impilo ayifani nempilo yasemadolobheni mhlambe ngisho ukuthi they are living under a poverty so iya contributor nayo ku contribute if ama high unemployment rates ku contribute utilization of substance within the family unit lesikhuluma ngayo ku contribute enye ebaluleke kakhulu ileyo ukuthi I'll make an example ekhaya niba u3 abawu2 mhlambe abekho sebeyasebenza omunye usebenza eGoli omunye usebenza eThekwini wena ngoba uphathi nendawo uhlezi khona la ekhaya nogogo vele kusho ukuthi umsebenzi wakho yini ukugada abazali and then abazali bayakhula nobody expects you to make ukuthi uphile impilo yakho as a caregiver sina ngikhuluma ngo caregiver manje or informal or because they are a child uhlezi ekhaya
planned or unplanned to be mhlawumbe uthi mhlawumbe ugcine ngoba nakho mhlawumbe engawuthola umsebenzi
exactly so you can imagine i-stress asitholayo ngogada abazali azange azakufundele but if umama is bedridden kuyokhuluma thina eseGoli neseThekwini ukuthi umama akayi ehome so lo muntu uphendulwa ubani uphendulwa yi-caregiver mekuthiwa iyamgeza funeke imphiphe zonke lezo i-stress esizoba khona lapha
and nento yokuthi nikhuluma ngento eningayazi nina ezokulula because nina nihleli akufani ukuzovakashela umuntu for a week mhlawumbe ngama Easter then ukuthi usuku nosuku uwena othwele idingo zakhe nestress zakhe uwena nokubuka nje umzali wakhe ephelelwa amandla
exactly
ngoba engqondweni yakho kufanele ngabe uhlezi nje uyaphila right kodwa uyabuka ukuthi hayibo amandla yangokuphela nakho lokho kuzohamba nawe ungabe
right so lo muntu loyo uyabona ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uyatriggerisheka metriggerisheka then izinto seziyonakala la endlini nokungatholi isupport as a caregiver khona la ekhaya from your siblings, from other family members. Mungayitholi kahle support nakho kuya contribute. And then enye into ngengakhuluma ngayo Alzheimer and dementia. Those cases
degenerative diseases.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ishaya kakhulu abantu abadala. Uthola ukuthi there's lack of understanding ukuthi cha isingenile. Bonala ngogogo nje mefuna ukuzikhulula uzozikhulula la efuna ukuzikhulula khona. Bonala ngomkhulu mefuna ukuphuma esenqunu uyaphuma. So that thing akasezuhlukunyezwa even la ekhaya. Usezohlukunyezwa umphakathi because bazobe be suspecta ini witchcraft. Mase umuntu nje sehamba nqunu sekuyi witchcraft lo. That's when ke ezinye izinto ezinemthelela ukuthi abantu be abused. And then enye into abantu abadala asebehlala ngabodwana. Baba ama victims ukuthi babe abused, abanye bazofika bazobantshontshela imfuyo yabo if besemakhaya, laba banezimali zabo kuntshontshwa wona lama lokhuzana ama assets abo, kushintshwa ama will kwenziwani. Abanye baye babathathe baye babeka kuma old age homes, kwawona ama old age homes uthola ukuthi bathatha ama power of attorneys ukuthi bakwazi uku-accessa imali zomuntu omdala. So kuba kuningi lo muntu because uhlala ngayedwana akasenabo abantu abambackupayo noma abamlwelayo. Abanye ke relocation ingane ziyahamba ziye phesheya. They don't have time.
They don't have time.
They don't have time ugogo hlezi yedwa. Anything is possible.
Mhlawumbe sesiyisonga ingxoxo yethu just looking at the context of the abuse of older persons. Mhlawumbe what is the most important thing that Tina as people we don't realize about lento yokuhlukumezwa noma yokuhlukunyezwa kwabantu abadala that we really should be aware of and take cognizance of, because akekho noyedwa emhlabeni umuntu ongenayo umuntu omdala ahlobene naye, whether it be your aunt, whether it be your mother, whether it be whomsoever. At some point we interact nabantu abadala. And ungathothi mhlambe there are things that we are missing, maybe there are things that we are doing singanakile, maybe there are things that now we should be taking more care of. Mhlawumbe unganaki nje ukuthi yazi ukuthini kwayekona ukuthi ugogo ahambe ibanga elide nginemoto noma mhlambe ngingathumeka ngiyomlandela amaphilisi akhe, kwakona lokho is putting strain. Kwakona lokho ukuthi mhlambe ngimshiye nengane mhlambe yi-teenager ngithi ngenzela ukuthi abe nomuntu azomthuma mawubheka u-teenage ukuthi behave kanjani, mhlambe kona konke lokho kufakela ugogo strain. I'm just making examples, things that we should really take more care with.
Abantu abadala badinga uthando. Badinga uthando by close family members, by the community within which abahlala kuyona. Kumele everybody abe aware ukuthi kunomuntu omdala ohlala ngayedwana. It's a responsibility that is embedded kuwo wonke umuntu from the community. And then when we notice ukuthi there is an element or there is a suspicion of abuse, then you have to report. Reporting is very important. You may report as a social development is nama service offices in the whole of KZN. You may approach a service office and report that case without revealing much. Umsebenzi wethu as social workers to go and visit family kagogo and do the necessary assessment. Leyo ayigcini ngokuthi kube a report from the community members, even the family members themselves. They can also reach out for help and say nangu uzbanbani abuser uma kanje. That matter can be taken up. So if manje sengena kwi element of reporting, it can be done even through the Department of Health. Mhlambe ugogo ese clinic noma esesibhedlela, they pick up ama signs ukuthi unama bruises that cannot be explained. They can also reach out to the department and report. And then when then enye into ebalekile is sensitization. Sensitization in terms of awarenesses. We all need to make bring about the awareness on the abuse as a social ill, and then on ama-degenerative diseases, for people to understand ukuthi umuntu omdala uyakhula, and to understand ukuthi sometimes ukudelela akugona ukudelela kusuke sekuyi-element ye-abuse. So if abantu abaningi they get to know all of those things, kungalekelela in terms of reducing i-abuse le yenzekalayo kubantu abadala.
Ntokozo sibonga kakhulu. Ntokozo Nkosi, Deputy Director Services to Older Persons with the Department of Social Development.
Thank you for joining us on this episode of the podcast. Remember, you can like the episode and share the podcast link, as well as listen to more episodes on the channel. Subscribe to the channel for more. Siyabonga. Thank you for listening.